Hey friends, if you encounter the error, Windows found errors on this drive, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, let's say it's with the D drive here. So right click on it, select show more options, select properties, okay, and then we will go to tools and then we will click on check here and we will scan the drive, okay. In my case, there were no errors because I don't face any errors, but otherwise a scanner would run. And another thing that you can try is the check disk scan. This is for the complete system. Although you can segregate it by the drive, but we have already done that, so I'll run it for the complete system. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator. Type the command chkdsk space forward slash r space forward slash f and hit enter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.